Quick question, what if I told you your computer could be infected right now, and it's not even a virus? Yeah, most people get this wrong. Let me explain. What's up, brilliant minds? Welcome to Mindloom Labs, the channel where we don't just learn, we grow our minds. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment where you're watching from. Because we're all about making complex topics simple, exciting, and actually fun. Today we're going to explore the bad boys of computer. Malware. Malware stands for malicious software, and it's the umbrella term for any software designed to harm, spy on, or exploit your device. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. People use virus and malware interchangeably. But technically, malware is the correct word. A virus is just one type of malware. And honestly, I don't blame anyone. Even cybersecurity companies call their software antivirus, not anti-malware. So yeah, the confusion is understandable. And trust me, some malware doesn't even need you to click anything. A computer virus is a type of malware that attaches itself to legitimate files or programs. It spreads when the infected file is executed, usually requiring human action, like opening a suspicious email attachment. Once clicked, the virus replicates by inserting its code into other files, causing data corruption, system slowdowns, or making your computer completely unusable. Some viruses are just annoying. Others, absolutely devastating. Take the famous I love you virus. It spread to millions of devices, overwrote files, and sent itself to every contact automatically. And that's still not the scariest malware on this list. Now here's one that doesn't infect your computer, but infects your mind. A virus hoax. It spreads fake warnings about non-existent viruses. No real damage, but real manipulation. Scammers use these hoaxes to scare victims into paying for fake tech support, or worse, handing over passwords, PINs, or remote access. Next, the worm. A worm is self-replicating malware that spreads automatically across networks. No clicking, no opening files. Unlike viruses, worms exploit system vulnerabilities directly. They can even spread through infected USB drives. And once inside, they steal data and slow your internet to a crawl. And one malware type literally locks your life behind a paywall. Ransomware. It encrypts your files and demands payment to restore access. It usually spreads through phishing emails or shady downloads. Once activated, your files are locked and a ransom note appears. Imagine a hospital's system getting hit. Patient records encrypted, lives on the line. Attackers know hospitals are more likely to pay, fast. A Trojan disguises itself as something useful. A cracked game, free software, premium features for free. But once installed, it opens the door for hackers. Passwords, crypto wallets, banking details, gone. And there's a Trojan that gives hackers total control. A RAT, or remote access Trojan, gives attackers full remote control over your device. They can see your screen, access files, turn on your webcam or microphone, even move your cursor. This is how people get blackmailed. A cryptojacker secretly uses your computer to mine cryptocurrency. No pop-ups, no alerts, just overheating, loud fans, slow performance, and higher electricity bills, all while making money for someone else. A keylogger records every keystroke you type, passwords, credit cards, messages. It's installed silently through malicious ads or compromised websites. A logic bomb stays dormant until triggered by a specific event, a date, an action, an update. Once activated, it deletes or corrupts data. It's often planted by insiders, like a fired IT staff member seeking revenge. Malvertising hides malware inside online ads. You visit a legitimate website, and suddenly a fake antivirus warning pops up. Your PC is infected. Click it, and you install malware instead of protection. A wiper permanently destroys data. No ransom, no recovery. Imagine a bank hit by a fake software update. Transaction records erased. Backups destroyed. Trust gone forever. Adware forces unwanted ads onto your screen. It's not always dangerous, but it's incredibly annoying and slows down your system. It's often bundled with free software. Spyware secretly watches what you do. It records your screen, your habits, and sells your data to the highest bidder. RAM scrapers steal sensitive data directly from your computer's memory. This is common in point-of-sale systems, and it's how massive credit card breaches happen. A rootkit hides itself deep inside the operating system. It can hide other malware, too. It's so sneaky that sometimes reinstalling the entire operating system is the only solution. A backdoor bypasses passwords entirely. Hackers use it to silently install more malware without needing phishing emails or downloads. A botnet turns infected computers into zombies. Hackers use them to crash websites, send spam, or launch massive attacks. And the owners of these computers? They don't even know their devices are being used. Fileless malware runs entirely in your computer's RAM. No files, no traces. Traditional antivirus software struggles to detect it because there's nothing on the hard drive to scan. Malicious macros hide malware inside Word or Excel files. Enable macros when prompted, and malware downloads instantly. These are usually disguised as invoices or official documents. By the way, I made a full video explaining the generations of computers. If you like clear tech explanations without the boring stuff, you'll love that one. Follow this channel for more, because now you don't just use technology, you understand it.